In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default sending email in Outlook. If you manage more than one email account, setting the right one as your default ensures new messages start from the correct address, which keeps your communication consistent and avoids accidental sends from the wrong mailbox. I'll show you how to do this in the classic Outlook desktop app, and then in the new Outlook or the web version. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook. Then go to the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you to the Account Management area. Choose Account Settings, and when the drop-down appears, click Account Settings again. In the window that opens, stay on the Email tab. You'll see a list of your configured accounts. Click the email address you want to use as your default sending account, so it's highlighted. Now click Set as Default. Once you've done that, click Close to exit the window. You'll know it worked because a small checkmark will appear next to the account you selected, indicating it's now the default. From this point on, when you compose a new message, Outlook will use that account as the from address by default, though you can still switch accounts on a per message basis if needed. Now let's switch to the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From there, go to Accounts, then select Email Accounts. Find the account you want to prioritize and click Manage. In that screen, choose Set as Primary Account. Primary in this context means the same thing as default send from, so new messages will start from that account automatically. This is especially helpful if you have multiple workspaces or manage both personal and work mail in the same interface. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you work. Changing the default only affects new emails you compose. Replies typically send from the account that received the message, which helps keep threads organized. If you don't immediately see the change take effect, try starting a fresh message to confirm the From line shows your new default. In the classic app, the From field can be toggled on or off in the Compose window, but even if you don't see it, Outlook will still use your default behind the scenes. And that's it. You've set your default sending email in both the classic Outlook desktop app and the new Outlook or web experience. Thanks for watching.